Hi everyone! I get another wonderful present from a subscriber, and this is coloring book by Jade Gedeon, and they are specially created to be colored with watercolors. I got her first book, which is Island Escape, dedicated to the beautiful Caribbean islands. Then Carnival Escape and Thailand Escape. Jade Gedeon also has a Rainforest Escape, and in this video I want to show you the island escape, but first let me say that I was extremely happy with the quality of the books. Just look how heavy they are and how thick they are. The island escape is the biggest of the whole series. It is almost 2 centimeters thick. The book is printed on creamy, real heavyweight watercolor paper. The cover is of textured cardstock. And that's the book quality I think that other manufacturers have to take note and attempt to repeat. The book is just amazing. I really like artist style. All pictures are made in thin lines. I think that Jade used inks, and the style is very similar to sketching in travel book. As I said, paper is creamy, and we have a light perforation along the binding. Pictures on the fold-out pages are the most beautiful and the most detailed. And here start our Caribbean vacations. In the end of the book, Jade gives us some information about famous places and buildings, and it's pity that in her other books she stopped to do such a thing. It was really very instructive, very interesting for me to learn something, to read about Caribbean culture. And you also can use these pages as a test pages for the mediums. In the end of the book we have information about artist. She's United States born, but and as I said, she spent her childhood in Trinidad, and she also is very famous jewelry design. I've immediately fallen in love with all her beautiful necklaces and earrings, and I still can't believe how thick and heavy is the book. So let's talk about mediums which I already used in this book. I colored one picture from the Carnival Escape because all books in the series have the same quality of the paper. It's interesting that half of the pages have more rough texture and half are more smooth. I hope that you are able to see it on the video. Really very similar to the watercolor paper. Watercolors lay perfectly well on both surfaces, and you can use all watercolor techniques you want to practice. You can do glazing, you can do lowering, you can wash out excessive pigment with a water brush. I would not recommend to use alcohol-based markers because paper is very thick and it will also absorb a lot of pigment, and your marker will be able to run out of inks very quickly. Prismacolor pencils are not the best choice for this paper, they are too soft and you will have to use a lot of blender to smooth the pigment. I prefer to use on this paper harder pencils like polychromuses or even my very cheap Faber-Castell Eco pencils, but I will try to do pictures mostly with watercolors because it's a great opportunity to learn and to practice your watercolor skills. It was a fantastic gift and I don't know how to express how extremely happy I am. Thanks for watching, thanks for sharing my happiness, and until the next videos. Bye bye.